Hi, I'm Kurt Lehman. I'm going to show you how to set up a graphing question in Schoology. So right now I'm inside a Schoology test. Actually meant to start in a different spot, so you can make sure you use the right one. So I'm going to go to my practice graphing test. If you're going to add a resource to make an assignment for graphing or just a quiz or a test, however you want to do it, I use the blue puzzle piece for add assessment. So I already have one set. And again, the blue puzzle piece, not the green one. The blue one has a lot more math features. So blue practice graphing, I have my test set up already, and I'm going to add a question. So on the left-hand side of the screen, we see all these different types of questions you can do. One of my favorite ones for math is the math short answer because it gives the students a math print text box that they can write in. But the one that I've discovered we can use for graphing is actually highlight image. So I clicked on highlight image, and now I'm going to come up with a question. So I'm going to say, graph the equation use the red highlighter, and it doesn't really matter, but I said use the red highlighter to plot the vertex and use the blue highlighter to plot 4 additional points. Do not draw the curve of the parabola. And that's just because it's going to be messy when they draw it with their mouse. You can if you really want to see what it looks like, but I'm going to just leave it like that. Next thing I like to do is, since I'm telling them specific colors to use, I like to emphasize that. So use the red highlighter, use the blue highlighter. It doesn't really matter. This type of question is going to be a free response question, so you're going to have to grade it yourself, just like you would grade, another type of graph. If you want them to test on graphing or do an assignment on graphing where you don't have to grade it, then you're going to have to set it up as a multiple choice or a matching. But if you really just want to see that they can do it, like they can find the vertex, then this is a great tool. I need to put in an equation to use. So I clicked on the math sigma symbol for my template. Y equals, say, -2, parentheses, x plus 3, squared plus 4. Go down here to OK. That's my equation. And then what I was doing a couple minutes ago, I was trying to make this video and I was having lots of problems. Like I did this all day yesterday. What was my issue? There's an icon here in this text box to insert an image. And you can do that if you have the image of a graph you want them to write questions about, like write the equation of a line. But I'm actually going to use the upload image that's below the text box. Try to use this little highlighter from Loom. Okay, right above here it says upload image. That's where I'm going to do my image. So I click on upload image, choose a file. I have a graph saved, and I've been using this a lot for Schoology this summer. So graph, open. I got this graph using my snipping tool out of CUDA. And I just have to scroll down and click OK. And then I hit save, and my question's done. Sometimes my face gets in the way. Okay, and then if I want to, I could make a copy of this and just change the equation. But I'm going to preview it for you and show you what it looks like. I could have done this under the preview question as well. So here's the equation as I see it. Looks great. There's the red highlighter. So red defined the vertex. My vertex is going to be at -3, 4. So they just find the spot and they click on it. There's the vertex, -3, 4. And then I want to find the rest of the points. So I have a -2 in front. So I'm going to go over 1, down 2 on both sides. And then from there, over 1, down 6. And actually one of those is wrong. So I'm going to undo 2 things there and fix one of those. The one on the right was in the right spot. Okay, and that's my parabola. And if I wanted to draw the parabola, I could draw the parabola. I told them not to. This is with using a normal mouse. I guess if you had a touch screen and a pen or something, it'd be better. If it had a track mouse, it'd be even worse. That's my example with a track mouse. Anyway, I'm going to undo those. But then that would be easy for you to check because you know what the points are supposed to look like. And that's it.